Okay, you saw the title of the video, and I promise, it is not clickbait. This burger literally changed the way that I am going to eat burgers the rest of my life. The Oklahoma fried onion burger is the favorite burger of one renowned burger scholar, George Motes, who just opened up his own restaurant selling this burger because this is his favorite. It's super simple. We need like 5 ingredients, and it is the best burger that you will ever eat, I promise. So let's get into it. Let's start off with the onions. First of all, look how freaking big this onion is. Look at that, Mike. How you like it? You like this onion? Vidalia sweet onions are the best ones to use for this because they caramelize really nice. But the secret with these Oklahoma fried onion burgers is this bad boy right here, a mandolin. So we have this little mechanism here, which is going to be how thick and how thin we want our strips. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make it so that it is barely, like, not even on the first lower level. We want them paper thin, translucent. So these bad boys are super thin. You want them as thin as you can go. See that there? Like, you can literally see the cutting board through them. They are paper thin. Boom. We have the onions, super important. Let's talk about meat. 80-20. I promise you that's the most important part of this entire thing. If you take one thing from this, make sure when you're making a smash burger, it's 80-20, because that's gonna make it as juicy and as delicious as possible. 3-ounce patties is gonna give you that perfect amount of meat. I like to make them doubles, so that's gonna give you a half pound, quarter pound, because 1 pound is 16, 3 ounces goes into 3 ounces is a good number. And honestly, that's it. We're ready to go. We can throw them on the grill now. You wanna do that?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. We got the brand new 36-inch gridiron here. We preheated it on low. That way you're not gonna be burning stuff, because if you preheat it on high, it's gonna be way too hot to do anything on. You'll burn stuff. There you go. So we're gonna take 2 of our 3-ounce patties, throw them on there, put a little bit of this smash burger seasoning from the Flat Top King. If you don't know him, go follow him. He's a great guy. I like to put a little bit of seasoning on the meat itself just to ensure that the meat is getting the seasoning flavor and not just the onions. Because we're gonna put a big old dab of onions on top. We're going and smash it a little bit. But you'll wanna put more onions than you think, because we're gonna smash this burger out. We want onions to be on the entire burger. And the thinner the better, because if you smash them thin, they're gonna be on there for not as long, and that's gonna make them more moist. And you can see it over here, we're already cooking through a little bit, but we're looking for these edges to be nice and crispy and have that nice crust formed on them. And I like to use this kind of putty knife that we have in the Griddle Essentials kit to make sure that we're getting all of that caramelization, all that crust off the bottom. American cheese is the only answer when it comes to smash burgers. A lot of people think that the toasted bun is the way to go, but that's actually not true. What you want is a steamed bun. So this is called letting the bun ride. We put the top bun on the top of the burger, and then the bottom bun on top, and then we're going to steam this bun like that. So the onions are in there, they're cooking, they're steaming, they're releasing their oniony, vapory juices, and that's going to make it go up into the bun. It's going to incorporate the onion flavor into the bun. It's going to make it nice and soft. It's going to be nice and pliable, nice and delicious. And if you ever wondered why the Filet-O-Fish sandwich is the best one at McDonald's, it's because they steam their buns. The only one at McDonald's. Nice and soft. It's the way forward. And then I like to steam it for about 30 to 45 seconds, just enough for it to get imparted with a little bit of flavor and soften up a bit. So you take off the top bun, nice and soft. You scrape the top one, put it onto the bottom one, like that. And then boom. There you have the best burger in the history of the world. So this onion right here is a great example of why this burger is so special. You can see here, on this end we have the char that leads into the caramelization, that leads into the kind of soft onion that is going to be delicious. It's infused with beef fat, it's infused with everything that's delicious. It's game changing. It's a life changing burger. I mean, there's a reason. There's a reason this is the only burger I make. I mean, it's juicy. It's oniony. You don't need any condiments on it. You can if you want, but you don't need any. It's just the perfect burger for me. But if you want to see some more videos, like if you want to learn more about the Gridiron 36, this video right here will tell you all about it, all the features that we didn't cover in this video. And I guess until next time, peace out.